Hey guys, today we're going to be making Reese's peanut butter cups from scratch. Let's get started. First, let's grab the peanut butter. It's in the cabinet and it's a little high, but we're going to bring it back over to our workspace. Next, we have our cupcake tray in the lower cabinet, so let's bring that on over. Now we can get one of our other ingredients, the graham crackers. Our final ingredient for the peanut butter mixture, the powdered sugar. Wait, that doesn't look right. Let's shake it up. Much better. We're gonna take about a cup and a half of peanut butter into a smaller bowl. This was a big scoop that didn't want to come out, but don't worry, we got it. Next, we put it in the microwave for about 40 seconds. It makes it a lot more liquidy and easier to combine. Then we take this bad boy out and bring it over to the counter. Where's the powdered sugar? That's much better. Now in a big bowl, let's put our peanut butter. Now let's add the graham crackers and powdered sugar. That's not right. Boom, combined. Let's move that to the side and grab a glass bowl, preferably. Now, let's grab the chocolate chips and bring it to where you have your glass bowl. We eyeballed our chocolate chips, but if you want to stick to the recipe, it is about 2 to 3 cups. Next, microwave it in increments, about 30 to 40 seconds at a time. Hey, I'm back already? Where's our chocolate? Oh, you confused me, twin. Mix it up. Let's chocolatefy our cupcake tray. Now let's scoop some of our peanut butter mixture into our little chocolate chip cups. Repeat for all. We couldn't wait too long, so we put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. You can also put it in the fridge for about 1 hour, your choice. Oh, these came out great. I don't normally like them, but these were pretty special. Enjoy.